So weird that I was not getting sulfur burps yesterday. Friday is my shot night. Usually I get sulfur burps on Saturday morning. I didn't get them this week, and I was really happy. Guess what just happened? Yeah. If you know, you know. Sulfur burps are the worst. I'm going to take this from Holier. It's a peppermint tummy soother, and it will take care of my sulfur burps. It always has. I've been using it several weeks now on the day after shot day, and it has worked for me. I didn't think I was going to need them this weekend. Maybe it was a time change. I don't know. These are the Holier peppermint tummy smoothers, and it's teeny tiny. Teeny, teeny, tiny. Right now, March 9th, they're on sale, 50% off. So keep them in your cupboard for the days that you get the sulfur burps.